Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ultimate Blade here, and today we are playing Pokemon Quest Episode 2. As you guys can see, which I playing a little bit right now. That more Pokemon appeared. Okay, I'm thinking I'm watching a Zebra Gamer a little bit, guys. Yeah, Rattata is also over. I don't know how the hell we will catch our Pokemon. Oh my god, no! The attack missed. We missed our attack, guys. Oh, it's a Meowth. Okay. I hope we can defeat it. Oh my god, we are missing the attacks. We are missing the attacks, guys. Yeah, we need to get the scratches out of here. The scratches need to be done. Oh god, please, 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 please. What the heck happened? Oh my god. Stage cleared. We cleared the stage. It went to level 3 and sturdy stone. I don't know. These are berries or something. Setting power stones. Okay. You found some ingredients. It looked like you could cook with them. Oh, are those ingredients to cook, guys? Oh my god. Oh, that's interesting. It's like sword and shield. If we cook something, it could attract some Pokemon. How to cook? Yeah, base camp. Okay, it's just like sword and shield, but this style. You are all ready to start cooking now. Use the ingredients you found on Tumbleweed Island to cook up some dishes for Pokemon. Guys, our first episode is a success, guys. When you cook up some food, Pokemon that like that kind of food will come visit your base camp. Can we catch Pokemon? That's the biggest doubt on this game. Can we catch Pokemon or no? Tap an ingredients icon to put the ingredients in your cooking pot. Once you are filled the pot and you are ready to cook. Okay, yep, 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 yep. Start cooking. When your dish has finished cooking will depend on how many times you've gone out on expeditions on the island. Okay. If you are using the PM tickets, which are special items, you can finish cooking your dish right away. 20. Okay. We wasted all of our PM tickets. What? Mulligan stew all cube. If any of you guys from that country know, please link in the description down below. I don't know what the heck is that dish. Oh, and it's Rattata and Pidgey. It's Rattata and Pidgey. Can we catch it? Can we catch it? Add it to Pokédex. Rattata become a birdie. Oh, hey, that's interesting. Oh my god. Pidgey. Edit team. Guys, can we get different teams? I'm hyped. What? And Rattata. What happened to Chari buddy? Oh, it's interesting, guys. I'm getting the goosebumps for some reason. I fell loving this game. Still cooking? Still, bro? Auto set. I don't want the auto set button at all. I want to choose my items, not that Pokemon thingy. We could go out for some expeditions. The total of your team members' HP and attack is your team's strength. At each spot where you can head out on an expedition, the strength of the enemies will be displayed. This should give an idea what your team strength should be. 650, okay. Pokemon with the same type as the bonus type for the place you're heading out an expedition to will have a higher HP and attack than normal, making them stronger than they usually are. Okay. We are at 660. I'm thinking it's okay, right? Yeah, we could freaking go for it. 850 is the boss. After that, I don't know what the heck will happen. Expedition start. This music is good, guys. Hello. Oh, there is a Caterpie. I forgot that. It could destroy it with fire spin. Oh my God, there are a lot of things. Rattata use focus energy, man. Fire spin. Oh my God. Wave cleared. Oh my God. We got a little bit of damage. It's okay for us. Wild Pokemon. It's a Caterpie. Let's use the fire spin. Let's use the Gust. We're surrounded. Gust. Please, Pidgey. Rattata use focus energy, man. Oh, baby. Oh. Guys, so far, I missed the video, guys. Please drop a like and please subscribe, guys, and help me reach 60 subscribers by the end of this month, guys. Love you all for life and thank you so much for 50 subscribers, guys. Focus energy. Team Broly. Our team name is that. Team Broly. To all the DBZ fans, that's great. For all of the DBZ homies, buddies, whatever you can call that. Rattata, you suck, man. Oh my God, we defeated the strong-looking expedition thingy Pokemon. Stage cleared. Charmander grew to... Oh, these are getting some levels. Okay. We got some things. Okay. Pokemon character. They didn't even give me time to read. At this rate, you might run out of supplies. If you would like, you can connect to the shop to get more. Please don't. You can obtain things that will help you on our expedition on Tumblecube Island from the Pokemon Mart. You can use special items called PM ticket to exchange for certain things from the Pokemon. As a service for members, you can receive PM tickets on regular basis. Oh, okay, that's at least good. I don't want anything on the Pokemon right now. That's it for the basis of expedition. So get out there and find the loot that awaits on Tumblecube Island. You'll receive 100 PM tickets as a gift to comment. I cannot do that word, guys. The release of Pokemon Quest. Okay. We have fixed a bug that occurred in version 1.02. As an apology, please accept 100 PM tickets. Oh my God, guys, we're getting rich as hell right now. We are at 670. I'm thinking you can receive items as rewards for your activities on Tumblecube Island. Sometimes you can even get some precious PM tickets. Whatever. What happened to our basic camp? Observe camp. It's not even half done. Quest. Why does it keep on giving the expedition mark challenge? Okay. Close range team. Okay. Go on expedition with only close range Pokemon. Means there are some items that you can only receive as a reward for guests. If you get stuck during your expedition on Tumblecube Island, it may be a good idea to try taking on some quests. Okay. At least we got that thing. We are how much time on this episode? We are communicating. What is the need for this? Oh, I'm seeing some Pokemon. Okay, I don't know. Oh, cushion. Charizard, bro. I'm a huge Charizard Omi, guys. If you guys don't know. And sorry for that. Like, I want to know how much time I recorded it. And can we wait? Or let's go for another expedition. 750. We are maybe a little bit under leveled, guys. We are a little bit under leveled. Attack is 65, HP is 62. We don't. Its attack is okay. I don't know, like we are not at all matching to this number. Maybe can we go on this expedition or nah? Leveling up pen sockets, the number of sockets. Oh my god! Expedition starts. Maybe there are some strong Pokemon. I don't know. Guys, fire spin, focus energy. Come on, guys. You're doing, man. Chari. About Chari. Mandari. I don't know why I'm saying that. Like for Pokemon Sword and Shield, I have a theory, guys. That who will pick Pokemon Sword or Shield? If you are me, which one will you pick? You will pick Pokemon Sword or Pokemon Shield? If you are me, I will pick Pokemon Shield of course, because Shield can easily defeat Sword. That's why I will pick Shield. Otherwise, I would only pick the Sword one. Focus energy, bro. Ratata! Can you do it, man? This Growlithe is giving us a headache right now. Hey, wave had been cleared. I know we are a little bit under level, but Pidgey is strong for some reason. Whoop, 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 whoop. Can I get any attacks, boys? Ratata, use your. We cleared the wave. Our Charmander is almost about to die. Our Charmander. It's a Pidgeotto, guys. I'm thinking strong looking Pokemon are that. I'm scared. I'm trying my best, guys. It's strong. Our Charmander is about to faint. Oh my god! Our Charmander is about to faint. Our Charmander is fainted also. Hope our team now can defeat it. Ratata! Oh, Charmander is fainted, guys. I don't know how we can. Stage cleared. We got Charmander grew to level 5. Okay. Boss, we are on to the boss. Everything seems to be going fine for now. It's me telling that. The further you go out on the island, the stronger the Pokemon the wild get. You should collect more Power Stones and befriend more Pokemon to get stronger as you head farther out. I'm checking this main. Okay. I don't know, like, let's check the base camp. Pokemon that want to become your buddies will come to your base about every 22 hours. If you encountered a rare Pokemon during your expedition, there's a chance it may visit your base too. Is this a secret base or something? Successful island expedition. Recharge your battery. Receive. Do we have any potions or something, guys? I don't know. I am thinking we. Yeah, hot potter a cube. Oh my god. I didn't understand. Hey, Vulpix! We got Vulpix, my favorite Pokemon. We got Vulpix, my favorite Pokemon. Oh my god, guys, we have Vulpix. We have Abra. We have Abra. We got Abra, guys. We got Abra is one of my favorite Pokemon in the Kanto region, guys. Alakazam is my second favorite Pokemon. I love Alakazam. And yeah, we have a new schedule for Pokemon Quest episodes. It is gonna be on
I'm ending the video right there. So yeah, guys, bye, peace.